This is gonna be your world's greatest flow. So I'm gonna be here in my long lizard lunge. If I were standing, all I'm doing is I wanna step that back foot down. I can go floating knee, or I can ground the knee, shin, top of the foot to give myself more stability. I'm gonna be into my long lunge. Where my foot would normally be, that's exactly where my hand goes. So I don't wanna lead too high. I don't wanna be too low where my shoulder's ahead. I wanna be nice and grounded here. Basically, hand across my foot, splay the hand nice and wide. I wanna have equal distribution of the weight into my foot, into my hand as well. Now, all I'm doing with the standard world's greatest, I wanna first sink that forearm down as much as I'm able to. You're gonna feel a good stretch in the hips. You're gonna feel that mid-back rotate. And you're gonna sink down as far as you're able to go. And then from here, you're gonna rotate through. When I rotate, notice how I go thumbs, I go hitchhiker thumbs. So thumbs go out, that sets my shoulder into external rotation, getting my shoulder into a nice closed pack position to maximize stability on both sides. So I'm doing that as well, corkscrewing my shoulder, crease of the elbow is pointed upwards, and then I'm doing the same thing up here. And then I come back down. If I'm sinking the breath, I inhale on the way down, and then exhale on that way back up. Make sure when I come down, my knee isn't flaring out. So I wanna hug that thigh in nice and tight and then rotate, squeeze my torso down as far as I'm able to go, and then rotate back up. I'm gonna do 2 of these. So 1, and then this will be 2. And then I can place my hand, bring that front foot back, swap sides. Try not to make it a janky hip around, right? A nice and clean, tasty beverage on my back. Don't spill beverage. And then I swap and rotate around. So try not to make it a roundabout. It's a straight knee drive, post the foot. And then from here, inhale, as far down as I can go, hug that thigh in, and exhale, rotate, external rotation. Nice and long through the neck. Try not to compensate through that upper trap. Inhale, and then exhale. Ooh, that was a juicy one. And then post hand, bring foot, rotate around. It's a 2 for 1, 2, post the hand, rotate. 1, 2, post the hand, rotate. And that's gonna be your world's greatest flow.